Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most rewarding gardening experiences you can have. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, stick around as I share 5 compelling reasons why you should add tomatoes to your garden. First, let's talk about freshness and flavor. There's nothing quite like the taste of a homegrown tomato. Store-bought tomatoes often lack the rich flavor and juiciness that you get from growing your own. Imagine biting into a sun-ripened tomato right from your garden. It's pure bliss. Next, let's discuss health benefits. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. By growing your own, you can ensure they're organic and free from harmful pesticides. It's a win-win for your health and the environment. Now, let's talk about cost. Growing your own tomatoes can save you a significant amount of money, especially during peak season when they're abundant. A single tomato plant can yield dozens of tomatoes, which means less spending at the grocery store. Plus, you can save seeds for next planting, making it even more cost-effective. Gardening is also a fantastic way to relieve stress. Spending time outdoors, nurturing plants, and watching them grow can be incredibly therapeutic. It's a great way to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. Plus, the satisfaction of harvesting your own tomatoes is unmatched. Finally, growing tomatoes can foster a sense of community. Share your harvest with friends, family, or neighbors, and exchange recipes or gardening tips. It's a wonderful way to connect with others and spread the joy of gardening. So there you have it, the 5 compelling reasons to grow tomatoes in your garden. If you're excited to get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your tomato growing experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening, and see you next time.